In last lecture we have seen what are the different ways to create or create a window. There are, I think, two constructors to create the frame. One is a default constructor which will create a frame without any name, and another one is a parameterized constructor where you are going to provide a name to your frame which is assigned to your frame at topmost left corner, right? Yes, now whenever a frame is created, it is a standalone window. It is a standalone window. So when frame is created, either it may be created by two ways. In that first way, it is created by association, and another way it can be created by using inheritance. Means a frame is created by two different ways, right? And when frame is created, as a frame is a one of the class to create a window, it has some methods. That methods also we described in last lecture. What are that methods? First one is a set size. Second one, this first set size defines width and height of your frame. Second, set title. This method defines the, or it will change or set a new title to your frame. If you want to change the title, it can be changed with the help of your method, that is a set title. Another method, that is a set visible, which is used for hiding and showing the window. If your set visible, it is a true, means you are showing the window, and if it is a false, means you are hiding the window from other or user, right? And another method, that is set resizable. This method is used for making restrictions on resizing of your window. Means if you want to make your window as a fixed size, you can make it just by making resizable as a false. Just make your frame at setting a resizable as a false. This will fix a size for your window, right? Means you cannot change the window size, right? And if it is a true, means your frame is resizable. You can make your frame by, or you can make maximize or minimize your frame with the help of restore down button. Here it is showing, look, maximize button is there, right? If you click it, it gets maximize. When you click on the same button, it gets the minimize, right? Now if you want to restore again, you can move like this also, like this. So your frame can be make fixed size with the help of a method. That method is nothing but your set resizable. Now these are the all the methods of your class, that is a frame class. Now we will create one of the window first by using the association. Now when association is considered, then your frame is a part of your main function. Means a frame is a member object of frame. It is created in within main function. So when your frame object or frame class object or frame class object is created within the main function, then that method or that process is created is called as by association, right? And when it is created by extending the frame class, then it is called as a by inheritance. So Now we will see how to create a frame by association, right? Now we are calling it as a by association, means we are going to declare a class, simple class. In that we are going to declare a method, that is a main method. This one is a public static void main, right? And next, in this we are going to create the object of frame class. Just create the object. Here frame f is equal to new frame. Here you have created the frame as part of your main class or within the main class. So this process, it is called as a by association. Now object of frame class is created. Call the methods of your frame class. So first method is f dot set size to define width and height of your frame, 400 by 400. This will define the size, just like we are defining width and height of your applet in applet tag. Similarly, we can set size for your frame in a main function or with the help of your object of frame class by calling a method, that is a set size, right? Second, the most important method, that is set visible. These two methods are most important. You have to make it as a true. If you want to show the window, make it as a true. If you want to hide the window, make it as a false, right? First method is a set size, which define height and width of your frame. Second method, set visible, that defines the you want to make it as a visible or not by calling a method set visible. Check it. You can check for it, right? See, Java frame demo. Here this one is called as a frame, right? This frame is visible to everyone. One reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a frame, right? Now this frame is having width and height, that is a 400 by 400, and we have make it as a visible so everyone can see it, right? Now when you have not provided any title to your frame, so you see here it does not showing any name, right? But when you write a parameterized constructor, my frame window, right? Here we have used or we are using another constructor, that is nothing but your parameterized constructor, right? When you write it, see, it will provide a name to your frame. Look like this. Here a name is provided to your window, that is a my frame window, right? And when you click on this, it will get maximized. When you click on that, again it will get minimized. You can maximize from this corner also, from this corner also, from this corner also. Means your window can be maximized or minimized from all the ways. This is called as your window, right? Now this is a resizable. This is a resizable, but if you make it as set resizable as false, then there is no way to resize your window. Your window size get fixed. Check it. Like this. See. Here, window, it gets disabled. Right? Also, your corners are gets disabled. You cannot see your or you cannot resize your window until and unless you make it as a true. Right? If you make it as a false, your size get fixed, and if you make it as a true, your window is resizable. So this is a first program in by creating a frame with the help of or by the process that is a association. What we have done, we have just created object of frame class f, and we have called method, that is a f dot set size, f dot set visible, f dot set resizable. Right? This method or this process is called as by creating a frame using association or by association. Okay, all you got it? Just two important method, that set visible and set size. These two are the most important. If you are not going to write